Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday, guys. Okay. Yeah, I sent all information to my funded futures on Friday, so I will text them today, but I don't know why. All information was set on Friday, not morning, after stream. I will figure this out, guys. Yeah, you're welcome. So I will just, you're not the first person who asked me about this. How are you guys? How is your morning? Any trades, wins, maybe losses? Yeah, I don't need so many candles. Shortening queue. Okay, nice. I'm like, I don't really like NQ recently, but let's see if it wants to present any opportunity for me today. If not, then okay, not. I'll just stick with gold. Okay, hourly fair value gap, basically BPR. Feels like first stage of market maker sell model on lower time frame. 5-minute chart. Feels like first stage. First stage must be confirmed by change in the state of delivery. We just got displacement. We just got OB. Let's see if price may sell right now to London low and previous day low level. So I'm watching just 2 key levels because just looking on, let me just stay on this. Just looking on this hourly chart, definitely looks like first stage of market maker sell model on 5. So we got potential sweep. We got our OB reaction trying to form propulsion block. We got 5-minute OB, so I'm looking for the sell toward this London low and previously low level. Yeah, something like this. How big range, by the way, overall? Not huge. Okay. Small range. I anticipate to get like 20-30 points only. You got long on gold? Okay. Good luck. I mean, let's see if we get long setup. Yeah, like yesterday and today, like no any drivers, so we don't have any news. Which means probably market will stay just maybe it will offer like first attempt to drop, but I believe it's going to retrace back to the range and just trade within this range until the end of the day. Yeah, I recorded the video yesterday. That's why I didn't stream yesterday. I recorded new video about MT model and I did backtest session within this new video. So it's going to be, I decided to pick like just March this year, and I backtested like full week, day by day, like day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like I didn't want to pick any like winnings days. Like I just tested like once again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So I include this backtest session in my video, so you will see this, and it's going to be about M2 model once again. Uh, hello, guys. Good morning. Who just joined? Good morning. So we have previous day low level. We have London low as key levels for the day. Since let's see what we have on RU once again. Yeah, I'm going to just for now highlight 50% of this hourly OB. Depends where we can close. Yesterday, I remember you were trying to long 2 times. It's okay. I sent you a message yesterday. I said I would like to see slightly lower first. I just don't mind to see slightly lower first seal. So it's my analysis from Sunday. Let me show you. Oh, I don't need this. Let me show you. I don't remember which time frame I picked, but it was my analysis on Sunday. I want to see pump to equal highs. I discussed as equal highs on Friday, and I explained why I would like to see equal highs. So basically, it was move from external to internal. On Friday, yes, it's like, yeah, I'm not going to take this equal highs on Friday. Okay, accept this. I still wanted to see equal highs taken. We took this level. After this, we got for our order block. And like, I still would like to see lower. Guys, what is your bias on gold? Let's compare our ideas. Because it's really trying to respect 50% of hourly fair value gap. Yeah, see how the trends stay within upper half of this fair value gap. Bearish in general, I agree with you. Like, I prepared two plans on Sunday. I was like, okay, if it's going to like break above equal highs over strong closure, I will just aim for 50%. Once again, I didn't know about this week yet. I will just aim for 50% of this leg down, and I will look for exact same short idea. But since we respected equal highs it created for our OB, I kind of would like to see lower, at least an attempt to drop. Maybe I'm asking too much for this major low. Maybe. But nothing validated just yet. Let's say, even if, let me just adjust this 50%, even if it wants to pump again, I will look for exact same short idea from this level. Nothing is going to change. This major low seems absolutely obvious target, and this major low is going to be end of market maker sell model, in my opinion. You said market structure shift downside? You mean like British market? Or you mean like it's going to pump? I don't really care if it, I mean, I do care. I don't want to see this scenario, honestly, to play out. I would like to see this one. Just need to get strong break below previous week level to look short position to major low. Like, I need to drop 60 points, $60. Which OB? You mean this one? Just need to drop yours. I'm not looking for longs just yet. I mean, for scalp, like 2R, that's okay, I guess. But I'm not looking for huge reversal just yet. I don't mind to see, like to scalp for 2R longs or shorts, but overall bias more bearish. Let me see. You mean trying to create hourly OB? Okay. Okay, let's see. Agree with you. Also, we have potential SIP. See this on forward chart? Okay, since it's potential SIP on forward chart, we must use 50-minute chart. So potential SIP is over here, right? Let me change the color. So here's potential SIP, 50-minute structure using our time frame alignment chart. We just got 15-minute OB, guys. Let's see if we hold this 15-minute order block to drop lower. I don't speak Spanish, so I have no idea what you're talking about. Also, we have low resistance to downside. Maybe something like this. Would like to get perfect setup to short this, because we got first idea short this of this potential 30-minute SIP. This one, just one single candle for order block. But I would like to see, yeah, probably slightly higher first, back to 84, 85, and look for short again using potential SIP on 30-minute chart. Let's see how it goes. Like, in my perfect world, maybe something like this. I mean lower, but overall idea. We have some highs. But once again, I remain kind of more bearish than bullish just yet. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to see something like this first. On CL, it's choppy. It doesn't want to provide, honestly, like, I wanted to long several times CL, but it never ever provided bullish shift, like never ever. Instead, lots of feather swings, see this? So basically just based on trend line, we have low resistance to upside. Once we can get shift in structure, I will look for long immediately to 67.74 and I will leave runner to 70.51. Just need to get this full hour shift first. I was looking several times for shift in structure, but never ever offered something, unfortunately. But we just hit OT of this move up. Oh, wait a minute. You want to tell me like it's shifted? Oh, contract changed. Okay, I got it. Seriously? I didn't realize like we got contract change. Like, okay. We're still sitting inside OT. Same plan anyway. If shift in structure, I will look for long to this buy side liquidity levels. For now, probably not going to trade this at all today. Let's see. Like it took equal low so far. Not in no in this trading. Samsung Watch, yes, I got new one. I said I completely switched from Apple to Samsung. Okay. Nothing good for me here. We'll focus on gold and not sure about NQ yet. Ugly chart on seal. I agree with you, so that's why I'm not going to trade this. Not going to digest for now, at least. Also, gold yesterday was nice. Like perfect setup, perfect structure. Today also was good. We got exactly the same setup. Come on, gold, just a trace for me. I would like to short this. Or offer a new sweep for me. I would like to short this as well. I don't really care if it's going to take buy side first. We have equal lows at 68. I got it 10 points lower. It's your target. Probably 90.95 is going to be your your retracement area. Oh, you would like to see a lot. Why you would like to see 99.95? Share with me. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm British as well, but yeah, I don't want to short right now. I mean, I don't mind at all, but and I am British on the day, but I would like to see slightly higher first. Just a trace for me, please. Okay, if it's going to retrace and offer potential sip, I will try this. What is SMT? Of course, I am going to show you. Not this one. Here's players that I use for SMT. Oh, okay. Yes, exactly. I'm looking for the tracement to short this as well. I hope it's going to retrace, not going to just straight move down. I don't need straight move down, please. Just retrace for me to short this, please. Here's what I use for SMT with gold. Anyway, let's see. I had a plan to trade straight to fund account today. It's only 9 a.m. Still too early. You would like even lower, would like to see something like this. I mean, like, I don't like NQ for a reason, I guess. Hourly fair value gap. Yeah, I would like to see in Q London low taken. Especially we got a 5-minute OB. Even if it wants to trace like London low, maybe attempt to take previous day low level. Seems like reasonable targets. Lower target for gold, 3370.6. So basically, sell side from yesterday. I will short gold anyway, but would like to short from slightly higher. Just need this retracement. Look at this hourly candles. Like no way it's going to be like third candle, like immediately straight move down. Not going to believe in this. At least retrace. A retrace for me, please. Be kind with us. Oh. So we look for retracement. It's in short. Maybe slightly higher. Maybe it wants to take some buy side first, but I need retracement first to short this. London low there? We just took London low. That's why I don't mind to see retracement. I was like, why are you saying like it's it's London low? Are you looking for candle to no on 30-minute chart potential sweep? Oh, about NQ. Yeah, I would like to see a drop on go NQ as well to London low. Maybe like normally if gold goes up and Q goes down. Since I don't want to see NQ lower to London low, maybe previous day low level, I hope gold is going to retrace for me first. Up. Gold will do retrace. I hope so. I cannot see the future, but I don't mind. Where I should mark this? 2 a.m. London kill zone from 2 to 5 a.m. Here is 2 a.m. That's why I highlighted London low there. Exactly, we have low resistance to downside. Exactly right. Just need retracement first. It's when we talk about exactly low resistance. Low resistance, sharp move down, retracement to 50% continuation. I don't ask for 50%, I just would like to see at least retracement back to this week. I hope it's going to happen. So once again, London kill zone, New York time once again, between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. I would like to see lower just once again offer retracement. So it's hard right now to shorten deep discount for me personally. So looking once again for London low on NQ and previous day low level. Hello, hello, Jack. Hello, hello. How is your weekend? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We have equal lows. Lower. Yeah, I recorded video yesterday. That's why I didn't stream. About M2 model. Also, I did backtest session. So basically included backtest session to this video. Yeah. But like I checked in Q price action after I was done with recording the video, and I was like, Dasha, right decision. As good as it could. Perfect. Mine is available over here, but if you want to subscribe, I post pre-market plan. Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Please, gold, don't act like this. We want you short, but not from this area. I don't see any perfect way to enter the trade right now. Unfortunately, yeah, nothing good for me. I would like to short down to 70s, but not ready to short right over here. Okay. Remove. How to remove all drawings from NinjaTrader? That's a great question. I found this. Yes. Did you adjust your table? Nope. It's too heavy, but I also didn't touch the camera. I adjust my light. Gold stuff, please. It's okay. So, anyway, even if I anticipate to see lower, we still want to see lower. It was hard to engage in deep discount anyway. I mean, of course, like in real time, it was hard to say, okay, we're going to respect the stimulant OB. In hindsight, looks nice. But in real time, it wasn't like such obvious move down. For example, okay, oops, this propulsion block. No, it wasn't obvious. What was obvious is just retracement to short this. Euro, I guess I check Euro on hourly. I'm not sure. That's Euro futures. I checked this morning. I did some analysis. I kind of would like to see something like this. Yeah. Not sure yet, but I would like to see lower first. Yeah, it was like, of course, it looks nice right now in hindsight. Okay. Don't worry, it wasn't, in my opinion, for me, it wasn't obvious. Like, I wanted to see the exact same short, but like this. I mentioned this 5 times at least. Oh, it's okay. You can joke about my accent. That's fine. It's okay. Yeah, just straight move down to our target. Okay. Mm. Are you serious? I love it. No, I don't like it. Just straight move down. Look at this 30-minute candle. We don't have any up close candles at all. Okay, my target is hit. I don't know where we're going now. Let's see what will happen next. What happened? I said I would like to short after the trace. This market maker said, like, in the tracement, you want to short? We are going to just offer straight move down, so you are not going to execute this. Because, like, why not? Of course. I said, like, of course, of course. That's fine. As I said, like, in hindsight, maybe it was okay, but in real time, it wasn't that obvious to engage in this short. Trend line was broken, right? Maybe it will offer something else. But I promised myself, like, I'm not going to execute NQ on my fund teachers account. But as I said, like last week, my epics in big drawdown, I don't want to touch them. Like in big drawdown. Okay, let's see. Maybe it It's not time yet. Maybe to offer something. Gold consolidate around new week opening gap. I don't use new week opening gap on gold. I don't actually even use like London low, Asia high, Asia low. You know, I don't use midnight New York open on gold. I use like pretty much like liquidity like low and high. That's it. Fair value gaps and order blocks. That's all I use on in gold. I don't use any breaker blocks. I know like what else? Mitigation blocks. I don't use any other PD rays, but fair value gap on high time frame and order block, high and low. That's it. Yeah, just update the light, change the settings. You know, it's still same lamps, but just change settings. Yeah, no. I mean, like I was trying to backtest gold like unicorn setup. Yeah, sometimes it works, but sometimes it just goes in completely different direction. Like no way to get win on trade, but like mostly it was like just losing trades. Anyway, like that's fine. Okay, it hit my sell side liquidity level. Really, it just dropped like 15, not 15, like 12 points for 10 minutes. SMT, I already showed, but I'm going to show you again. Here is the payers that I use. Yes, exactly. I saw lots of people trade gold and they trade trend lines there. Yeah, that's nice. I call this like low resistance liquidity move, but yes, trend line. Oops. Please help me. How can I help you? Yeah, look at these hourly candles. Same color. Okay, I love pink. I'm not going to lie. Also, I like purple. My favorite colors. Yeah, you just again book test how we expect like 15-minute or hourly trend lines. That's actually so nice. Even over here, if you're going to like plot trend line, it's going to be a reaction from trend line over here. We have trend line, we just broke this trend line, we got straight move down to sell side. This is mostly how it happens. See this? Break. We didn't break this, just reversed. Like, I like it. I like it. We broke this trend line, delivered it to maybe some sort of level. But yeah, trying to respect trend line every single time. I'm totally fine with this. So I wanted to short. I started Steam at 8:45. We were looking for short to the sell side liquidity level, but we were looking for short after retracement. It just was straight move down, unfortunately. It is what it is. I'm not kidding right now. Yeah, gold respects trend line so well. I'm not kidding right now. Okay, solid reaction so far. Look at this, guys. From reaction from 50% of this week. Interesting. Let's see. We just took this flat candle. Of course, now it's going to retrace. So I'm looking for the trace of the test of this area again. 82, 84. Let's see if my retrace 6, 8 points higher. Like I'm looking for move higher over here. Because once again, right now, I'm not sure about my bias because I was looking only for short. 2 levels that was taken already. So I'm looking for the test of this area right now, once again. If we get this. Almost perfect circle. So we look for the trace to this area. Let's check NQ real quick. So what can happen on NQ? Maybe something like this. It tested this 5-minute OB since order block was offered with displacement. What about M2 model? What time is this? Oh, 9:17. Okay. I know about M2 model just yet. Nothing good here yet. Just accumulation. Hourly accumulation so far. Nothing is going on. You will trade gold after 10? Let's see. I don't mind. You know, I prefer to trade gold more than trade in Q because in Q wasn't good with me recently. Opening price depends. I don't use, for example, weekly open is good to use to frame, for example, possible candlestick formation on weekly. So we traded below weekly open, we traded above weekly open, exactly the same way. I'm not going to explain this right now because yesterday I recorded video and I explained this there. So I will post this on YouTube this week. So I recorded this yesterday, included backtest. You see M2 model? So our task is to trade below or above 9 a.m. open. So, and our task is to use order block that was formed below 9 a.m. open if you want to look for long, or we want to look for short. We want to use order block that was formed above 9 a.m. open. So over here we got sequence of down close candles. So basically, beginning of this order block above 9 a.m. open, that's not great. It must be either below or above. Nothing yet. Hello, fine. So I didn't see you for a long time. Where were you? My son turned 6 on Sunday. 6. Crazy. It should be okay. I know. Guys, sound is okay? On my side, I guess it's fine. Oh my god. Yeah, it should be okay. Okay, there's no empty model just yet, so not going to engage. An empty model, so I'm not looking for long, I'm not looking for short. Let's see if there is going to be obvious manipulation of this hourly candlestick. Like we have potential sweep, okay, ignoring like 2-minute model. We don't have 3-minute OB, we don't have 5-minute OB. So no way for me to enter long yet. Even if it wants to pump, nothing yet. Yeah, 6 years old. Crazy. Let's see if gold made a trace to this area for another potential move down. Nothing validates short bias yet, bearish bias. Just yet. Let's see if made a trace offer potential sweep from this fair value. I'm not sure which one which fair value gap. If it's going to be this one or this one, I don't really care. It's still part of our fair value gap. Just eat trace, please. Hello, everyone. Without news, especially on Q, it's so hard to trace this. But once again, gold, most so nice. News, or we don't have any news, that's always good for me. Or CL, but CL is just stuck on high time frame range, tight range, so nothing good for me there at all. Not going to even watch this. Too early? Yeah. So, where's your entry? If you don't mind me to ask, which you use 5-minute OB? because my son is first grade right now, first grader, so he's school, and my another son is in daycare, so they're not at home. I remember when they were sick, it was crazy because my husband wasn't at home and my two kids were here, and it was like impossible to do anything. Yeah, need to go outside every single time with them. Yeah, I was looking. I mean, like, I don't really. Oh, guys, look at this. We just discussed that we want to see lower on a year, and look what happened. I was looking for drop. So basically, slightly lower, slightly lower. Please, just a bit lower for me. It's hourly chart. I'm not sure about entry on lower time frame yet. But let's see how it goes. I would say potential long will depend on hourly closure. If it's going to close within this sequence of up close candles or below. No, he's from Belarus as well. We both citizens, US citizens, but he is from Belarus as well. He speaks Russian as well. He has your accent. I have his accent. Yes. Okay. It's still accumulation phase, pretty much believe in this. Hard to say if it was manipulation because we didn't hit any important level. So London low remains lower, equal lows remains lower. I would say I would like to see a manipulation higher to short and Q. But I don't mind to see gold higher as well to short this later. This means I have similar biases on NQ and gold, which is probably not great to have. Okay, anyway, we'll look for a trade on gold. Pretty much sure NQ is going to be garbage today. I said this yesterday that NQ going to be garbage on Monday and Tuesday because we don't have any drivers at all. And I'm pretty sure NQ is going, even if it's going to look like, okay, it's time to drop and it's going to drop like, initially it's going to look like amazing drop. In reality, it's going to be just garbage. Like maybe attempt to drop, but garbage. We look for trade on gold today. I hope to get something because we have trade last time to trade between 950 and 1010. So I hope to get some sort of setup to trade today. I wanted to trade today straight to funded accounts from funding six. Like first trade on them. But let's see. If I will see good setup on NQ, I will just trade small size on NQ on this straight to funded, and I will trade regular size on gold. I think I made my picture bigger. So before it was like smaller picture, but right now it's bigger. I think so. Okay. Still believe it's going to be manipulation first. Feels like manipulation because accumulation was, even if it like, yeah, we got moved down, it didn't take any important level, I still believe it's accumulation. Manipulation, probably lower after this. Okay, all right. Let's see how it goes. Keeping my eyes on gold as well. How many I actually use only 3 monitors. one for streaming and trading, another just for streaming, like all settings there, OBS, like YouTube settings, and another screen just for hide from charts. That's it. For Discord, like one screen, and that's it. For trading, only one monitor. For hide from charts, like just to keep my eyes on this, another monitor. So basically, two is enough. But I use three. YM. What do you have on YM? I have Discord, but I stopped accepting new people there. So no, no more. Some levels higher. It's still choppy overall on Q. YM, yes. Old level from last week. Yeah, it's in consolidation on YM right now. I don't trade crypto. I mean, like, I'm long-term investor, if I can call myself like this. Okay, I sent all information, all emails to my funded future so they can add accounts to your like your dashboard on your account profile. So I sent on Friday. I'm not sure if they did this message yet because it was Friday, but I will contact them today again to make sure. Okay. About Telegram, I would like to start Telegram, by the way. Yeah, it's a good idea. How can I help you? Interesting. I'm watching gold right now. Gold also trying to pump, which I do like. I would like to see gold back to 80, 82 level. But I don't mind to see manipulation higher on Q as well. Which makes me feel a bit tricky right now. So this red circle is area that I would like to see on gold. Watching that hourly fair value gap. Exactly. It's not hourly yet, but it's going to be in 1 second. Okay. Not in 1 second, 30 minutes. It's going to be, market is going to open in 1 second. Okay, market is open, guys. Let's see how it goes. Keeping my eyes right now on NQ as well. Let me switch on 2-minute chart there. Trying to pump, still trying to pump. We don't have empty model. Oh, you were long. It's okay. I would like to see slightly higher, so maybe you can take partials there. Depends if you enter it. I guess you trade high time frame charts, right? Look at gold right now on 3-minute chart. Actually, 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, who cares? Perfect trend line. A low resistance to upside. It's going to be a move like this if we're not going to get any reaction from this area. So basically like this. If there's no any reaction, I mean no any change in the state of delivery, no potential sweeps, it's going to belong to these highs. But anyway, I'm still watching 80, 82 for retracement or reversal. Depends on structure. Let's see what we can get. On NQ, once again, pretty much sure we have manipulation up for distribution lower. Let me switch on NQ real quick. What we have there. Oh. There is no empty model anyway. Look at this drop. London low amazing, equal lows amazing. Previous day low is about to be amazing. Amazing, okay. Nice move down, like basically accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but okay, empty model formed. No, I don't really like this. There is no empty model just yet. No, never mind. I don't see empty model just yet. It was brilliant move down, but previous week low level will be my draw if it's going to offer strong closure. This means if we are going to get strong closure below previous day low level, I will look for short to previous week low level. From PDL to previous week low level. Let's see if we get strong closure. It needs to drop like more than 100 points. Oh, okay. What are you? It's okay. English is easier than Russian. I think so. Going to oh, look at gold. Okay, that's nice move. Now, oh my god, totally depends if you're going to get potential sweep, because if not, I would like to see continuation higher to these highs. So this area is a key area for retracement reversal. Depends on structure that's going to be offered here. Yeah, English is pretty much easy language. I agree with you. Woohoo! Yeah, good job. So where's your target? You aiming for this highs? I believe you're going to be good if it's going to fail to offer any reaction from this area. Should pump immediately. You know, I mean, like, it looks like potential sweep, but look at this rejection. I mean, like, even if you want to try this, your stop loss is going to be a pivot point, like swing low, and it's going to be huge, like 10-point stop loss. I wouldn't count this as potential sweep. Look at this week. It's big range for order block. No. Need to see retracement reaction. So once again, inside key area, for retracement reversal, if it's not going to offer any potential sweep. What do I mean by this? So basically, it's not going to offer closure below a sequence of up close candles, like failure sweep, long to this highs for me at this point. I will look for long, try long. But hard to consider this as potential sweep. Go back to kitchen. I didn't cook, so nothing to do at kitchen, only like drink water. I'm bad woman, probably. Mm-mm. That's basically indicator, guys. Just change colors. Free indicator. Normally, every single indicator I have is free indicator. Okay, it's trying. It's trying to reject right now, but once again, there is no any signs to short this yet. I mean, I cook for kids, but I don't like look for like hard dishes. You know, I hate to cook, so I do this like because I had to. I have to do this, but I hate it so much. Only for kids. Well, we got sequence of down close candles to you said like potential sweep, but sequence of down close candles is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, which range is your stop loss is going to be more than 12 points at this point. Okay, maybe with 2 micros, that's not bad. Maybe. I know, maybe. Yeah, it's basically gold. Gold futures. Yeah, ChatGPT. My husband also said that. Just ask ChatGPT. It's okay. I don't care about hate, so that's absolutely fine. Just ignore this kind of people. It's fine. You want to be mod? I can actually give you role to be mod if you want. Do you want to be moderator? Just let me know. I can do this. You said please help for positive vibes only. Yeah, you said please help me like 3 times. I already asked you how can I help you? It's okay. Then let's do this. All right. Let's see. Mm, okay, it's stuck inside this area, like between 80 and 82. It's before. And it's not in sync. Wow, yeah, you're right about this. Pretty much strong move up while NQ and ES trying to drop. Look at the ES. London low never was taken. See this? It created equal lows, which makes me feel like, okay, it's going to come back there later. No way it's going to fail to take equal lows. It's to the tick. Equal lows once again. Good target 65.54.75. You'll probably come back later. Okay, let's see. Not working. Can you please send me a message on Twitter? We will discuss this again. Thirty-four, 31. Oh, for today, maybe you're right. Okay, yes, maybe you're right about today. But you can take partial, so I see nothing wrong with this. Looking for setup to be confirmed on gold. So basically, if it wants to offer like retracement down, but not going to provide a shift in structure, I will try long to these highs. Let's see if I can get something. I hope so. Maybe yeah, like this. I will try long then. Let me set alert to this area in case I will miss this. Good rejection. See this? Good rejection. Pretty much a bullish rejection, but rejection kind of tricky because I believe it's from nowhere, especially on ES. Hourly chart, absolutely garbage. Yeah, we have room to go lower. Like, okay, we got reaction from this water block. But ES definitely has room to go lower. Oops, my bad. I don't see empty model as well. I told you, remember what I said like at least 1 month ago? 2R and gold reverses from 2R almost always. I was like, what? What is going on? Because it happens pretty much often how we can get reaction from 2R, exactly from 2R. It's crazy, right? Good morning, good morning. I agree with you. That's hard to believe in this. Once again, I have a plan to trade straight to fund account today. Let's see if I can get something, but I'm keeping my eyes on gold for the retracement down to look for potential long position. At least nothing is invalidates yet. This yet. I will short only if it's going to provide potential sweep on 30 or hourly. We'll try to long if it's just going to retrace. We have flat candle, we have fair value gaps. So basically this area for potential reaction. Let's see. If we get something good today to trade, really want to trade gold more than NQ and ES. I mean, it's easy to understand where market needs to go. But what is hard is to find setup for this. Okay, I said if MT model is going to present for short, I will try this. So idea is to try to short above 9 a.m. open using 2-minute order block. So overall order block was part of like discount and premium. It started forming below 9 a.m. open and finished above. So it's normally, according to my backtest, not great conditions to enter this. So if order block was over here, I could try this, especially like we knew the target, right? But looking at this picture, yes, it wasn't hard to anticipate that market needs to drop, especially like, yeah, we have London low lower, we have equal lows lower, like it's obvious. But setup. So question is setup. Yeah, the worst strat right from 2R. Crazy. I would like to be careful with NQ because, I have bad experience with NQ last 3 weeks. So I just would like to trade either like small size because I need to recover my Apex accounts from drawdown, or just to trade this on evaluations, which I don't have. I see. Okay. Okay, let me see. I will start with daily. Let's see what we have there. Some forex pairs. I don't mind. It was traded we were looking for like long time ago. Uh-huh. You looking for long? Give me 1 second. What is your target? Mm-hmm. I like it. I like it. Where's the target? Daily open needs to be tested, so you can take partial daily open if you want. Okay, I got it. This one, right? Can you take partials? Just asking. Can you take partials this daily open level? Small partial, like little partial. Just take it. Not financial advice, just recommendation. Okay, yeah, like, like, like now. Just small partial. Take it, and I will feel better at this point. Once we can close above this highs, you will get shift in structure to upside to your highs. You will be nice with this trade. Yeah, still no retracements. We don't have potential SIP just yet. Um, but no way it's going to offer potential SIP because the minute order block is going to be huge. Colt, are you serious with me today? Not really full port them. If accounts allowed to like evaluation allows passes for 1 day, I will pass this with 3-5 minutes. I'm not going to full port this. For example, my previous Apex I passed with 3 minutes only. I cannot call this like full port because it's a regular size for some people. But yeah, since I trade normal like 5, 7, 10 micros, 3 minutes was like looked a lot. Just once again, if you're in this long partial time, like partial time, small partial, little partial, just trust me. $50 of commission? Oh, that's crazy. Wow. I call this like partial time because daily open, we traded below daily open, makes sense to at least try to partial this move. 2373. Okay, partial level. I'm just saying, like, if you want to take partial here, it's fine. Especially if we are going to close above this high, so you're free to just hold to this highs. Okay, perfect. You did perfect then. You will be okay, especially once we can close above this highs. Partial level over here. I mentioned this. 3384.70. But retracement first. 10 a.m. will be reversal. You're talking about in Q? Yes, needs to drop lower because London low needs to be taken. Oh, by the way, it's trying. I like it. You back? Welcome back. I believe if ES wants to take London low, we need to drop to previous week low level. You cannot find this indicator? It's not a problem. Give me 1 second. Where is this indicator? I have links on Twitter, but it's hard to find them. To break, let me see. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check for you. Yes, you can. That must be protected low. So yeah, definitely you can. Because normally daily open offers reaction normally. That's why I recommend to take partial daily open. I don't care if it's in Q or any other assets. Daily open always good for partial level. Oh, you got short on NQ. That's nice. You know, I don't trade NQ. Done for the day. That's brilliant. So I will look for trade on gold. It's still 9:50 only. I have 20 minutes to engage. Yes, NQ 10 a.m. reversal. Okay, 10 more minutes. Let's see what 9:50 market can offer us. Yeah, daily open. Once again, it's not only talking about, for example, some forex pairs everywhere. 6 p.m. open, NQ, ES, YM, gold, silver. I know, like oil, forex pairs. Just make sure to take small partial there. I strictly go for 2R exactly. Hope it's going to retrace for me. So retracement area, this area. So basically OT area, даже, yeah. Flat candle. Okay, this low order block. Yeah, somewhere here. I can be annoyed. It's okay. Why I'm still bumping higher? What? What? So only from this area I will look for long. Below this area, no longs anymore. No, I'm not in trade. I'm looking for the trade only. Going to trade straight to fund account from funding 6 today. Just got new one. Like 3 accounts. Let's see how it goes to trade. Like how it's going to feel to trade straight to fund account. Never traded. I have with Tradify as well. Never ever traded. Yes, I done with YM backtesting. It's nice, but the only problem is when I'm trying to find like SMT, it's always not in sync. Like 99% of the time, it's not in sync with ES and NQ, which is kind of hard for me. My husband doesn't have any social media. He's old, so he doesn't use this. I mean, he has some like personal accounts, but that's it. Yeah, that's process. Agree with you. Yeah, that's the issue. When let me show you. When I'm looking for SMT with ES and NQ, like I'm fine. Yeah, like okay, we have SMT right now. So that's amazing. That's brilliant. But when I'm trying to compare YM with ES and NQ, it's always SMT because YM goes up while ES and NQ goes down. Of course, it's SMT. He's old. He's 40 plus. He's 40 plus. About gold, you want to long? Okay, I will invalidate my long idea with break below blue box. So basically below this order block. He's my hero. Big difference. Yeah, 10 plus difference. Yeah, big one. I'm not old. I'm sorry. I was kidding. Close below this level. Exactly. You can even take partial, not partial, put your stop loss there. I'm fine. Yeah. Nothing where I would like to engage. Don't want to long euro right now yet. Okay. Yes, needs to test London low. It's equal lows. My husband is not here. I mean, I don't know. Maybe he is here, but I don't see him in the chat. Sometimes he is here, sometimes he is not. I remember maybe like a couple of months ago someone said like if your husband is here, type 6 in the chat. He typed 6 several times. I was like, are you serious? And the guy said like if you need help, just type 6 in the chat. He's not here. He needed help. Exactly. Yeah, he trades like from time, not every single day. Type 6, bro. I'm not sure if he's in chat right now. So, okay, it's trying to remember what we discussed before. Like, we're looking for reaction between 82 and 80, and actually, it's trying to give us reaction. But to consider this as reversal, I would like to see a change in the state of delivery on 3-minute chart. We don't have it yet. That's why I hope to get trade today because I would like to trade on a straight to funded account. Just I don't want to chase right now. Just would like to wait for the model to present itself, either from long from here or short below this blue box. It's a joke. Mm-hmm. We got it. Interesting to say, like we don't have empty model as well. Maybe empty model going to be delayed today. But since ES left London low lower, I still believe we need to drop slightly lower. Um, as I said, probably it will look like huge. Remember what I said at the beginning of Steam? Probably NQ is going to look like huge drop, but in reality, it's going to just retrace back to the range and it's going to stack there. Pretty much exactly what we got. Look at ES. Look at NQ. Okay, NQ might be like 50-50, but look at ES. Yeah, look like huge drop, but in reality, trace them back to the range and garbage. We don't have any drivers today. That's the problem. This means we don't have any news today. How to push the market at this point? Market is waiting for news. Yeah. But still, we have time to trade gold. Praying for gold trade. You traded minis yesterday? Are you serious? In that garbage? Yesterday was crazy. I saw this in Concept because I didn't even open charts. What? Account blowing price action yesterday. I agree with you. See this? Brilliant. I mean, for scalps, from discount to premium, maybe that's fine. But overall, it was just need to survive. Oh, you blew your account yesterday? Oh, I'm so sorry to see this, but when to enter? Let's see. I will let you know when I can see setup. I checked gold before 9 a.m. and it was nice. I mean, like it was just a good setup yesterday. And I decided just to stay away from NQ because it was garbage. Where can you see 3-minute order block? I cannot see this. It's 3-minute chart. We don't have any yet. I saw lots of problems with this, by the way, with this copier. Like lots of problems. So because I was looking like, okay, I'm going to give them a try. But recently on Twitter, I did lots of bad reviews about this. I said no. We'll stick with my Replikanto. That's fine. I'm trading only for since 2022. And I started learning ICT. Like I wasn't profitable at all. So it took me at least like almost 2 years, like overall, to find like consistency because I wasn't consistent at all. Especially first year, it was like, no, no, no. But yeah, not like I trade 3 years. It's going, yeah, it was 3 years in June, but it's hard. It was hard to find profitability or consistency first 2 years. Because I guess yeah, I didn't want to accept the fact that I don't need to trade every single period that I see. I don't need to stick just to one model. For example, I don't need to trade unicorn if it's this unicorn step and not in the direction of height from trend. Like like typical mistakes that we all make, but still. When I only started, my son was newborn in 2022. Not really newborn, but he was like a little one. And he didn't sleep well during the night, so I just was trying to to put him to bed, and I was holding my phone because it's like took me like 2-3 hours. He didn't want to sleep at all during the night, and I was watching videos on my phone. What do you mean how analyze my charts? I have top-down analysis video on my YouTube channel. I have market maker model video on my YouTube channel. So right now I'm just for now still flat. No complaints. I will give it a time. So I will give time to develop setup. If not, and then what will happen? I will come back tomorrow. Yeah, iPhone. Yes, I did. Isn't that crazy? Depends. So if you're talking about right now gold, potential sweep will be below this blue box. That's why I said bottom of the blue box is invalidation of long setup. Let's see. I have smartwatches. I still have Apple Watch, but since I switched to Samsung, I bought new one like Samsung watches. Completely switch even like headphones right now is Samsung. Crazy. Dasha, what are you doing? It's I'm not sure about the day, but working on this, working on this. Okay, it's trying to get. Let's focus, guys. It's trying to give us reaction from this blue box as we discussed before. So if you look for long, probably let me see above. It's not going to be 2R. Not going to long right now, of course. I'm going to use fresh order block to engage. 1.6. Let's see what levels we have. Guys, give me 1 second. Yeah, only one. Something like this. Not sure about exact entry yet. But it's not going to be 2R. 2R is going to be not sure where, because totally depends on entry. Approximately here, but where it is going to be, not sure yet. But right above buy side. YM just keep going higher. Oh, yes, also reversed. Leaving equal lows lower. Nothing on gold, nothing on yes and Q and YM. I already said I'm going to stay away from this price action. I'm going to wait for news. Blue box is basically the range between flat candle and bottom of order block. Also 50%, also OT. Um, so idea probably not yet sure about this. Need more time, but it's going to be closure above this level. So it should offer order block. It's not order block yet, so no reason to talk about this just yet. We have news. We don't have any news today. It's going to be only tomorrow. That's why ES and Q probably, as I said, going to be garbage. Let's see if we get set up. Exactly. So I want to do giveaway today on my funded futures, but I figure out that I need to fix the problem with winners from last week. So I want to fix this today, and I will do giveaway tomorrow. Okay. Looks nice so far. Just hold this. We got the closure above this highs. It's already bullish shift. Just hold this. Especially like look at this flat candle. See this flat candle? Another level. But daily open target is anyway. Gold. hmm Remember, rejection block is also liquidity level, right? But I keep sticking to gold and silver, sometimes CL. So I'm doing good with this, going to stick. Exactly. Okay, waiting for the closure. Waiting for order block right now. CL, don't like CL at all. Don't really like NQ. We don't have empty model today as well. And I checked real quick, by the way. Okay, even if I want to consider order block over here as part of empty model, we barely got the closure. So entry must be at the open of next candle. Stop loss, hello, 90-point stop loss. No, thank you. Okay. So definitely I see this as protected low over here. Empty model for long right now. Where is the target? Daily open at 800 and London high? Probably. But it's not going to be 2 hours, so that's why, like, I'm trying to stay away from NQ. We'll look for the trade on gold. I hope to get gold. We still have time for gold. So order block is going to be here. Okay, let's see how it goes. If nothing, then nothing, so it's okay. I will try tomorrow. I don't really have time to watch movies, unfortunately, so I don't have a favorite one. Top-down analysis where? On gold, nothing too long. I'm waiting for a fresh order block to enter long. Probably something like this. So basically, I need to get the closure above sequence of down close candles to look for something like this. Because so far, we got reaction from my retracement area, reversal retracement area, but we cannot blindly enter the long trade because we need to have change in the state of delivery to confirm this reversal. So nothing too long just yet, but I don't mind to look for long above maybe 82. And invalidation is going to be break below this blue box, so basically below order block to short lower. So just stuck in the area where I cannot short, but I cannot long as well. It is what it is. White is going to invalidate. So basically, see this small down close candle? It's propulsion block. And below this propulsion block, so basically support is going to be broken. And this support is going to invalidate potential move higher. Because if it wants to pump right now, since we got reaction from sell side liquidity, order block needs to hold. This order block already tested by this down close candle, which formed this propulsion block. If it wants to continue going higher, for example, why I still can believe in higher? Because reaction from order block was offered, but it failed to take any liquidity levels. For example, internal buy side over here. Yes, if it wants to offer fresh order block, another propulsion block, I will long. Maybe I will take one contract off of this internal buy side, but I will aim for this equal highs. But If this support is going to be broken, like if then, right, I will look for an attempt to take current low of the day. That's it. So just trying to, I don't want to stick to one bias, just trying to find another trade if my original idea is going to be invalidated. Yeah, I was, yes, exactly. I was talking with Fadi about this. Son's name are Daniel and Nathan. Yeah, I'm not interested in Q. I already said that. I was trying to trade in Q for 3 weeks and I'm big drawn down right now on my Apex account. So I said, great name. Yeah, I see, right? I said I'm going to just stick to gold on my funded futures account because I'm doing great there. Just one losing trade so far. Yeah. Social security. Great question. Yeah, Nathan, my favorite name as well. When I was 17, I dreamed about like to give uh, n- my son name Nathan. I didn't even know like I'm going to have son, I'm going to have kids, but I knew that my son is going to be Nathan, no matter what. There is no Russian version of Nathan, but Daniel, yes, we have Russian version. Sounds pretty much similar, but Nathan is an amazing name. It sounds so nice. With my funded features core plan, I just decided to try cheapest version to see how it works. Core plan, and with funding ticks, I'm going to copy today's trade if I'm going to get the trade, my funded futures, and straight to funded from funding ticks. No more kids. Forget about this. No more kids. I'm child free, guys. No more kids. No more kids, yeah. You can, I mean, like, no more kids at all. I'm not ready to this. It's hard. It's hard, yeah. There's new order block. It's still the same. It's either going to be closure above sequence of down close candles, or it's going to be break below this blue box, which will offer order block over here. That's it. One more, please. No, forget about this. No, it's no. It's like someone asked me if I want to move to Orlando. I said no. Even if someone wants to offer me like free house, I will say no, no. And one more time, no. Oh, next year. That's nice. He's not my husband, but why not? How do we live there? I have no idea. Crazy drivers there. Why not? I mean, people have no idea how to drive, but I'm driving every single day and a lot. I mean, like it's dangerous. No, Orlando and Orlando and South Florida. But where I live, it's fine. Worst driver is me there. No, even for 1,000 likes, forget about this. New York. Okay, we got it. I'm looking for straight on gold, not on NQ. What car? I have Tesla, so I know we have lots of haters. So yeah. But I do like this car. Gold contract, it's a December contract right now. I have open chart. December contract. Yeah, I love Tesla. I mean, like lots of haters, but it's my husband hates Tesla, but it's my favorite car. Yes, I was there. I don't know how to read this town or city, but I was there. I guess it was last month. I was there. Yeah, I have like self-driving features, but it's not for me. I hate it. I prefer to drive myself because no. I mean, like, I do trust this, but I don't like how it drives. I like how I drive, but my husband hates to sit next to me, as well as I hate to sit next to him. We moved from North Carolina. You short gold. It is too early to short gold for me. Nothing to short yet, at least for me. It's either going to be set up like this if it's going to break this blue box. Ah, I'm just trying to be patient right now. Like I need to wait for long, like 2 3 hours sometimes to get just 5 7 points on gold. Hate it, but okay. I confused you. How? I have set up on my chart for last I know like 20 minutes. Is it? It is what it is. It's kind of expensive to trade micros as well. Time for dinner? No, it's time for lunch, but I'm not going to eat lunch probably. I'm not hungry yet. I still drink my protein after gym, so it's quite choppy today. I know, but it's better to wait for setups than just chase the market. I'm happy I decided to stay away from NQ. It's already best decision I ever made. So if it's going to present order block over here, basically closure above this dotted line, I will try to long. Or if it's going to break below this blue box, so basically will break the support level, probably new low of the day. Just need to wait. Right now, the spot where I cannot long, but I cannot short as well. Yes, I know. I forgot about this morning because I go to the gym at 5 a.m. I simply forgot about this morning. But I need to drink this anyway. My kids are sleeping at this time. I cannot be loud. I completely forgot about this. What issue do you have with funded next account? 5 a.m. Yeah, my alarm at 4:47. I go to 5 a.m. I have at least like a bit more than 1 hour to finish my workout and do uh, ice bath and then go to go home again because gym is like 10 minutes away if I need to drive. If I want to walk, it's like around 40 minutes, 50 minutes, even maybe more. Go to sleep around like 10 p.m., sometimes 11. I don't sleep a lot, I know. Deliver. Sometimes it's going to be within a couple of minutes. Sometimes it takes hours to deliver to TP. Depends on the time, I guess. You know, it's hard to. Hardest part is just wake up, get up. But overall, my body feels okay when I'm doing workout. Yeah, it's fine. A bit harder than it's like after lunch, for example, or in the evening, but it's okay. Do you live in Florida? Yes, I do. Yeah, normally, yes. If gold is bullish, it's not like inverse correlation, but most of the time happens like this. If gold is bullish and Q trying to drop. But it's garbage right now when in Q. It's amazing. You do cold? No, I do ice bath. So basically, I'm going to ice cold plunges, right? It's like 37 degrees, and I go to this huge bath. It's like it's I know it's like spa, but not with hot water, with cold water, 37 degrees. And I'm sit there, and 37 degrees feels so hard in the morning, but it's okay after lunch for me. I don't know why it's so cold, but I can sit for 3 4 minutes. Just trying to answer all questions at the same time. I know it's 37 degrees. It's around how. Let me see. I don't know what the temperature actually in my country. I'm going to convert right now. I don't know. In my country, 37 degrees is. Oh my god! I didn't even realize this. See this? 2.7 degrees. What? It's kind of cold. I didn't realize this before. 2.7 degrees. That's crazy, but it's very cold. Very cold. Extremely cold. Yeah, I sent all emails to my funded teachers so they can add this to your account. I feel like they didn't see this message, but I sent on Friday. I'm going to contact them today again after stream. Which protein? Optimal nutrition, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Huge pack. New hair. I know, like maybe in a couple of months. Any trading view? You mean like for charting? I will ask if we can do giveaway. Yeah, same version. Yes, exactly same version. I do use this version as well. I got this at Costco, so they only sell one version, I guess. It's choppy, so I cannot long, I cannot short. Just going to wait. Look at where is my perfect NQ chart? See this? I'm going to move this to right because it's not trade idea just yet. It's going to be trade idea only with closure above this line. I'm going to make this like this. I like this as well. It's like short enough. See this? I hope they're going to send it today, your accounts, because I sent all information on Friday, but seems like my funded tutor didn't see my email. I'm going to send email today again. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't. I didn't want to do this. I just want to show you my t-shirt. I'm sorry about this. Yeah, it's all about poor risk management, unfortunately. By the way, I'm going to Miami on Thursday, alone without my kids, uh, without my husband, just alone. It's like it feels like vacation. Yeah, finally. I was waiting a message from you, but you never sent me. Like, what happens in Miami stays in Miami. Exactly. We have exactly the same Russian version of this phrase. No, I'm still waiting for the trade in gold. I don't trade in Q. I mean, like, nothing to trade there. Yes, left equal lows on yes, we need to drop. But yes, keep going higher. So it's not for me. I was waiting, like, look at the yes in NQ. It's keep going higher while we need. Ah, okay. Never mind. Not going to watch this price action. Oh, you work in this fight? That's amazing. Yes, yes. I contact him as well. I wasn't about to do this. I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, left equal or slower at London low. I would like to see lower. Let's see if my break. It's 10:30 already, but still, let's see if we get something there. Uh, Sleeping? Okay. Hardest part is just to wait for setup, like for the last 40 minutes and just watch this chop. Nothing. Okay. I was checking Indian market futures, and I was like, how people trade this? I mean, it was my target on NQ is previous week low level. Like overall, it was my weekly objective on Sunday. I would like to see previous week low level. I'm not sure if it's going to drop today. Like, who knows? But I don't really care about NQ, but I do care about ES. And on ES, can you see my. Yeah. On ES, I would like to see London low. That's it. I'm not sure about. I'm not sure about NQ. Will keep my eyes on London low. Okay. 30-minute chart looks absolutely ugly. It's not in sync at all. YM is just keep going higher, like without stop, just straight move. We don't have entry on gold just yet, guys. Don't long gold. We must close above this line to validate long. Otherwise, no trades. I'm going to repeat this for the 10th times, I guess. As long as you stay within this range, don't long, don't short below this level. That's it. Something like this. Because right now it's a kind of tricky area, like cannot short, cannot long, just must wait. But please, don't even try right now to long this. Short is a trash metal. Are you serious? Yeah, I know. I mean, like, look at YM, just straight move up since market open. Look at ES, pretty much choppy price action, and look at NQ, kind of straight move down. And I'm like, yeah, this makes lots of sense. You ever finally dropped to the level that I was looking at? If it's going to break below this blue box, should drop to new lows a day. At least we're trying to do something good finally. Because I cannot filter the chat, I guess. Lots of stupid people, they just want to help me. Yes, once this blue box is broken, you can short to this 68 level as you want it. Mm. Mm. I like short idea more right now, to be honest. Let's see how big this. Give me 1 second. Stop above order block. Exactly 2R. I kind of like this idea right now. I know. Let's see if my break is to confirm this entry. Yeah, looks solid right now. I'm going to delete this for now. It's already broke this order block. We basically broke support level, but here for price to go lower broken. So what time is it? 10:37. You know, I do like this. It's not me. Guys, what do you think about this trade? Feels solid. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like this too. Invalidation offer it. Let's see. I believe it's going to be less than. Okay, give me 1 second. 10:03. Oh, you crazy? It's definitely short. I don't see any other invalidation. Should drop over here first. Let's see if my drop to 3371.7. So basically equal bodies over here. Going to check silver real quick just to confirm this. Silver dropping as well. Yes, it should be solid, at least to this partial level. Took with small size because of time of the day. Just trying to compare with silver. Yeah, I took with small size. Oh, partial taken. Okay. Right. Okay. Aiming for a new lows day. Going to trail stop. Let's see how it looks on 5-minute chart. Yeah, I do like this. Looks solid. Five-minute chart. Just 2 hours to get like 7 points. Are you serious? Copy to my funded futures and straight to funded accounts. Me? No. I was pretty much, like confident simply because I knew if it's going to break this barrier. I'm just looking how we're going to get, how I'm going to feel on my straight to fund accounts because I see it feel partial with different price. Probably because of copier, but let's see. Let's check silver real quick. Okay, silver approaching right now sell side, which should be another confirmation of this move down. That's my first trade of the for the day. Come on, crazy, right? Yeah, it's approaching these lows on hourly. I would like to see silver slightly lower. Silver did not offer any good setups in my humble opinion. Entry was at the break, as I said before. Once it was broken over here. Broke, slight retracement. I just tried with stop loss above order block. I took partial at this equal bodies. I'm still left 50% of my position to this low if I can get this. I don't know if I'm going to get this, but let's see. Waiting for 2 hours to get just 5 points. It's stupid. It's okay. So yeah, guys, enjoy. Enjoy. Please give me the just target. I want to be done for the day. Will lock my $400 on my accounts and be done. You know, trade small size. It's not $4,000. I'm sorry, guys, about this. Let's see if I get this TP. Still watching silver to these lows. That's why I like gold. Pretty much straightforward. If this, then this. Like, yes. It's 5-minute chart, by the way, guys, not 3-minute chart. Which I do like. It's pretty much straightforward. Looking like another partial only will make $225, but it will give me $400 total. Yeah, I don't mind to make like 4K on this trade, but it's only $400. Just maybe feel the TP. What about complete reversal? So far, it was so close. I remember I got many times. It also happens on gold when it just was like one tick away from my TP and simply reversed to my break even or my stop loss. It happens like pretty much often with me. But anyway, partial taken, so I just going to chill. Once again, trade small size. Let me see if I can project. Yeah. I don't care about 68. You would like to see new lows of this? Well, yeah, let's see. TP only yes, London low. I'm not sure where it is right now, but London low. I'm going to leave it is I mean like this is right now. If it's going to be TP, that's then nice. If it's going to be like break even, that's okay as well. And Q, I don't know. Guys, I'm not sure about NQ and ES bias for the day. Previous week low level was my weekly objective on NQ. I'm not sure where we are right now. I can check if you want, but oh, okay. Previous week low taken on NQ. Right now, I don't have any bias at all. Why I feel it's going to reverse right now? I don't know. It's just funny. Give me TP, please. That's all I ask. Perfect. $400 locked. Yeah, I ran like 2-hour trade. Nice. Original was like 2-hour. Yes. Pretty much. This is why I said like it was tricky spot over here. It didn't offer any like long setup, basically structure to confirm the setup. But with break below this level, yes, it offered. It's 5-minute chart once again. Yeah, plan the trade, trade the plan. That's why I said I'm ready to wait for 2 hours to get 5 points. It's hard mentally, but I'm ready to wait for this. At least something could happen today, right? Okay, first trade for the day win. Barley wasn't drawdown. Went good. I could feel much more stress on trading in Q, honestly, than gold. I used to trade gold. I'm like more like fine with this. Let me see. Perfect. In mobile, I have no idea. I never tried. I mean, okay, look at this. I started looking for potential. Can you see my chart? See this? What happened over here? I started looking for potential short after we got the sweep. But once this level was broken, it was just like trigger for me to enter the trade. Because I was ready to long and I said I'm happy to flip my bias if I'm wrong, only with closure above this line. See, we swept this line 4 times, but we never got order block, right? That's why I couldn't long, but I couldn't short as well. I had to get the shift first. Okay, see this order block over here? So initially it was enough, like to enter the trade, but I wasn't confident initially. Uh, it's 5-minute chart over here, by the way, not 3-minute chart. But ideally, I had to enter over here. Over here, I had to enter over here according to the model. But once again, I wasn't sure because we were inside consolidation before, and that's why I said I will look for. I started looking for short. We discussed this before from this area to put stop loss at this order block, not swing point. And I was looking for new lows a day. Once this level was broken, it was like just not 100%. I cannot say like we have 100% confirmation, but 99% confirmation that yes, I'm going to be right with my bias. I said gold, like you don't need to trade ICT on, I mean, you can, but you don't need to trade ICT on gold because gold follows the system like if this, then this, always. And I'm totally fine. Like lots of people hate me when I say like I have 2 plans to trade, but on gold that's fine because if this level failed to offer something, I will just look for another trade in the opposite direction. That's why I trade potential sweep in the direction of higher from trend. And this potential sweep can be confirmed, for example, as a reversal from sell side that we got over here. If we could get any shift in structure, we never got this. So that's only was the reason why I didn't long this. But I didn't mind to long initially, as I said before, with closure above sequence of down close candles. I said this initially and I was looking for this trade over here, right? I was just, once again, I just follow the system, like if this and this. Why you, oh, it was wrong time of the day. I traded 6 micros. Made $400 on each account. Yes, support and resistance, trend line, everything. That's why I like gold. And I don't see, like, lots of people. I saw a post yesterday or 2 days ago on Twitter when someone said, if big influencer trade micro, this means he or she is scammer. I was like, no, that's not true. If you're satisfied with money that you make and you want to like have like proper risk management without gambling, without oversizing, micros is absolutely fine. Because when people say like if big influencer or trader with like 5 years experience don't trade minis, like don't size up, when in reality you have more than 30 funded accounts, his or she's scammer. I was like, really? Very strange mindset. Oh, I have only Tesla, that's it. So I'm not at that age that I need to like have expensive cars, like watches or phones. I know where I can spend my money. Just trust me. When you're single, you know, like you don't have family, probably it's fine. But I have 2 kids, so I need to make money for them. Because if they want to, like, say, it's like trigger for me, guys. I'm going to share. If my kids will go home and say like, this guy had this, I know, like let's say Nintendo Switch. I also want to have this. I will buy this. Not because like I want to buy expensive stuff, simply because I want to that my kids have everything they want. That's what I do for them. And yes, I got 2 Nintendo Switches for them because they asked. They said like someone in my class has this. I was like, you're going to have this as well. Maybe that's because of childhood, you know, when I was kid, like we didn't have lots of money, right? So yeah. Yeah, of course, if I didn't have family, maybe it was a bit like different point of view, right? I know. Can I be your kid? I have 2, that's enough. Not ready to have more. Yeah, let's see. We can try again if you can see, if you can offer another setup for us. Can I have one account? I will do straight to fund accounts giveaway maybe next month. Them so I know. Yeah, I know. But still, it's it's hard to switch in something in my mind in my brain, right? Because I knew when I grew up, when I was a kid, because once again we didn't have lots of money as well. I knew like if I'm going to grow up, I will buy everything my kids want because we couldn't afford this when I was a kid. Yeah. My husband trying to explain to my kids what is expensive, what is expensive stuff they want. They when they ask something, he says like it's expensive. For example, that you need to understand that it's really expensive. But I always stop my husband saying this because I don't want to like it's bad. My kids needs to know what is expensive, what is not. But I don't want to do this. I don't want to explain this to my kids. It's hard, right? Read books. Yeah, we're trying. Yeah, like no TV, like no cartoons. I bought them Nintendo Switches. So, but I'm trying to find games that's like develop them, right? Yeah. They only 4 and 6. They still too little, right? They don't ask for expensive stuff. Like maybe they can ask for Nintendo Switch or like Lego, but it's not that expensive, right? Need to wait for like 14 years old. Let's see what they're going to ask me in 10 years. But yeah, my husband does right stuff when he's trying to explain this, but it's hard for me. He knows it's hard for me to explain this. He's trying to do this. Yeah, 4 and 6. It's funny. They played like we only got gave them Nintendo Switch yesterday. They were so happy. I'm not sure if I made. No, I don't have any pictures, but it was so funny, so cute. No, on this phone I don't have anything. With Russian. But my oldest son, like, he understands Russian. I speak Russian with him, but he replies English. As that's like, I'm like, really? But youngest one, Daniel, he's 4. He understands that he needs to speak Russian at home. He needs to speak English outside. He can switch like easily, like easily without any problem. But my oldest, no. He understands what I'm saying to him like every single time, but he either mix two languages or just answer English. Yeah, see? It's not really cool, you know? Because when I was pregnant with my first son, I said like, um, I'm going to teach them Russian, but in reality, it's harder than expected. Yeah, I contacted them. Like, sorry about this, Alex. It was just hard to explain what I want to do. I contact them, but they said like you need to contact them. I said you banned the guy. But once again, did you figure this out? I saw your post on Twitter. Because I can only communicate with managers, nothing else. You also had to speak Russian at home, yeah? After school, my kids goes to after school as well, and this teacher there, she's younger than me. Maybe she's like 25, maybe even less, like maybe even younger than this. She she is American, I guess, but her boyfriend is Russian, and she always asks my kids to teach teach her Russian, but they always say no. I mean, like why? Like Nathan, why don't you want to teach her Russian? She said he's shy to speak Russian outside. I don't know what to do with this. He's shy to speak Russian outside. I tried to explain that's cool to speak two different languages. That's nice. It's like no one can do this, but he's so shy to speak Russian. Because when I ask questions, he's like, no words at all. It's annoying. Yeah, my husband speaks Russian. Just I don't know what to do with this. Why he's shy? I know. I see nothing wrong with this, but he probably doesn't understand this. Maybe someone said in his class that it's bad. I don't know. But it's annoying. Yeah. Was trying to explain that that's nice, that's cool when kids know lots of languages, but nope, it's hard. And I mean, like, I know what to do. I was trying to explain several times, nothing helps. Really? Well, guys, let's see what we can get next on gold. Because if it wants to be continuation, we should get retracement, maybe like right now, but another short will be possible only with freshwater block like this. What else do we have lower? We have for ROB lower at 58. What else? Let's find on daily. Next level 2319. 2650 area. Okay, got it. Why don't want to see major low? Like over here. What do you think about this? Maybe not today. Yeah, maybe not today. I agree with you. Next level is 58. So it just already 11. Not sure about exact time to trade this, but maybe something like this. You mean on gold or in Q? He's 6, yeah, he's shy, but Daniel is fine. He's 4, he's fine. He's fine to speak Russian. We're asked to speak Russian. He's fine to speak English when he wants to speak English. Yeah, two different kids. What else do I have? Okay, next level on NQ is going to be internal range liquidity, which is daily fair value gap, right? We're approaching this daily fair value gap. We have order block. So let's see how we can trade off this order block. It's going to be just displacement below this order block, because if it's going to be displacement, we will drop hard tomorrow to this weekly fair value gap. Another like 1,000 points. Especially we have news tomorrow, so maybe it's fine. Lots of levels. Let me delete some levels from my chart. It's equal highs, New York midnight open, major low taken. See how it's trying to build low resistance to upside? The sharp move down needed. Because I have two levels on ES lower, which is daily OB, exact. Oh, I don't have daily order block highlighted on my NQ chart, and then CPI low. So I believe we're going to internal range liquidity on NQ, which is daily fair value gap at 503. We are not sure if it's going to be end soon or not. But I hope so. Yeah, it's approaching daily fair value gap. Maybe after like minor retracement, but we need to enter this internal range liquidity. Right? Let's see if silver dropped. Yeah, sell side. Silver was a good confirmation of drop on gold as well. Let's see what we can get. Let's check. Oh my god, see this? Jack, are you here? See how we got perfect reaction from daily open overall? Crazy stuff. Gold, of course, I'm going to show you the high time frame, okay? That I have. That okay, guys. Here's was my top-down analysis on Sunday. Pretty much going well. I posted this weekly outlook. I prepared this weekly outlook on Sunday. Where is this? We discussed this. Yeah. I just record this kind of weekly outlooks every Sunday. Ah, come on. For CL and Q, yes, gold. It was my weekly outlook on Sunday. Where it is. I know where it is. Trying to show you. Okay, cannot show you. Give me 1 second. I'm going to just project this picture over here. Image, screenshots. Picture. Where it is? Cannot see any picture yet. Oh, on. Okay, I found it. Display. Then picture. Here we go. Found it. Took me at least like 5 minutes to figure out on which screen it was this picture. All right. Give it to me. Okay, it was analysis seen on Sunday. Can you see this? You should probably. See, I wanted to see we taking out equal highs, then drop to this major low. Over here, it was my analysis on Sunday. Pretty much going well so far. So according to my analysis, going for a chart. Yeah, kind of ugly delivery, but yes. What was written on my chart? You mean this? It's top-down analysis, like how you need to do top-down analysis. Time frame alignment chart. So my levels on gold is for ROB at 3358.50 and major low at 3319.20. That's it. That's all I have. So that's why I feel like I'm more bearish overall. Maybe we are not going to drop hard today because it's already 11:08. I mean, maybe we are not going to drop. But overall, I would like to see an attempt to go lower tomorrow. Tomorrow we have news, so I hope it's going to drop. I'm just thinking about, it's wrong time, I guess, already, but I'm thinking about if it's going to close below this blue line to short again to this for OB. Gold, silver only. Only silver. But sometimes silver, as for example, YM lives here on live, but at least to confirm direction, obvious direction on high time frame, it helps. Stuck right now, so doesn't want to move. Mm-hmm. Yeah, would like to see you mark how you mark 50% on gold, right? Which one? I probably missed this. Oh, this one? Yeah, of course. Let me show you. It was for a chart. I have two scenarios. Like, I guess you're asking for this 50%, right? It was 50% of consolidation, but let me show you. Give me 1 second. Would like to explain like reason. Don't remember which time frame it was. Oh yeah. See this? Something wrong with my okay, give me 1 second. Guys, can you see my screen? Like, can you see my screen? It's okay? Yeah, should be okay. Okay, let me show you why I was bearish. I'm going to explain. I'm going to probably switch on a micro gold to draw this again. Screen is fine, yeah. Okay, I'm going to explain why I was looking for short this week. We had SMT, right? So basically, it failed to take this high. This means it will try to take opposite direction, liquidity level over here. So idea of market structure, not because of ICT, but idea of market structure. Let me zoom in a little bit like this. Idea of market structure, if it failed to make a new high, it will reverse to make a new low instead. I want to show this part. I will just, should be okay, right? Okay. Idea is if it's going to fail to take this high, it's basically equal highs. It will reverse to take sell side liquidity first. And after this, it will offer an attempt to reverse again to take this equal highs. That's why I set my major liquidity level at 33.19. Okay, fine. We understand probably we are bearish right now. After this, we also saw sweep. It's not potential sweep, it's just sweep, which also was confirmation that price doesn't want to go higher to take this high. Okay, going on daily right now. What I saw on daily. One moment. Fix settings. Okay, what I saw on daily. We got reaction from that sweep on weekly. And also we got change in the state of delivery on daily. See this, guys? What's wrong with charts? Very strange. Okay. Also we got order block, change in the state of delivery on daily with displacement. Okay. That's another confirmation that we are bearish. But once again, it's already happened. I had to build the bias for this week. What I saw, we got another order block, which means right now we have protected high over here. What this means? This means this level is going to be resistance. So basically, once this level is broken, we will go all the way up. But this level is protected high right now, so we should not break this level if it wants to be bearish. That's why I highlighted 50% of this order block from this low to this high, 2400. And I had min threshold of this order block, which supports idea. If we are going to retest this order block, but we are not going to close above 50%, I will look for short. And also we got equal highs right below 50% to this OB. That's why I was confident going on gold. Where's drawings? Disappeared. Okay. Strange. That's why I was confident with this trade, with this bias. See, it's ugly right now, but I highlighted move like this. We go into 50%. We got equal highs. I will look for short from there. To aim for what level? Weekly low. 33.19. Okay, going back to this chart. Sorry, guys. Something wrong with my drawings. And okay, yes, we respected this 50% of daily order block. And that's why I was looking only for short yesterday, and I was looking for short today. I still would like to see lower to aim for weekly fair value gap. Now, I understand your idea like 100%, but look at this move. See what is going on over here. It failed to make a new. It's classic market structure understanding. If it's going to fail to take high, it will try to reverse to take a low. First sell side liquidity level, which is 33.19. It will try. Like, not guaranteed we are going to take this, but it will try. And daily actually confirms this. Once again, going on daily, we got order block, we got solid reaction from there. I know, guys, let's imagine it's not daily chart, but just let's say it's 3-minute chart. What level you would aim for? Just looking on this candles. It's not daily chart, it's not gold. Let's say it's NQ, and let's say it's 3-minute chart. Probably you could try to aim for sell side, right? Logically. So, and on first chart, we have another barrier for price to go lower, which can be support actually. Is, yeah, 33.20, exactly. We have 4-hour OB. I believe price needs to drop lower, at least to this level. Like this. So, that's why I'm looking for overall lower, and that's why I was looking for short when I only started stream. Unfortunately, it dropped like a lot without us. It dropped a lot from where it was. Like here, right? But overall, I was bearish for the day. Overall. Right now, I cannot look for continuation, unfortunately, because I believe continuation can be either closure below sequence of up-close candles or going to retrace to this fair value gap. We have also flat top, and we'll offer another attempt to drop. Maybe a slightly higher, like this. Not sure about exact retracement area, but something like this. Also possible scenario, right? Maybe slightly higher, but back to this range. Not sure about exact area. yet. Cannot say for sure. 50% tomorrow, another day, see this? Yeah, I remember. First, I will post video about M2 model with backtest. So I include backtest sessions there. I just did like 1 week analysis there. Not just, and I didn't show you, I didn't want to show you only VN trades. I just did day by day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So each day. I don't know. Random person, I guess. I don't know who is this. I did this. Oh, I mean analysis on stream. I did analysis on my backtest. I created backtest session on YM and RTY. I backtested this, but I didn't analyze this. I mean, results not bad, but only issue that I found was it was kind of hard to anticipate real move because if YM is extremely bullish, NQ and ES is extremely bearish, and it was a bit confusing. It's still confusing for me to analyze this in real time. I mean, yes, in hindsight, we got like potential sweep, 3-minute OB, amazing trade, but in real time, it didn't look so nice. Backtest not bad. Like consider only potential sweep, ignoring bias overall, just without bias, without using SMT with ES and NQ, just strictly trading this potential sweep. Once again, without bias. It's okay. But once again, I don't want to just recommend to trade without bias, but once again, it was hard for me to figure the bias because when I was bearish on NQ and ES, YM was bullish. Yeah, let's stay with gold. That's why I'm sticking to gold. Lots of people ask me today on Steam to analyze NQ and ES. I said I would rather to wait for 2 hours for setup on gold than I will wait for something on NQ. Honestly, it's just not worth it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, it's like, like too much stress to trade. Oh, it's in Q. Too much stress to trade in Q and yes. I mean, for me, not for everyone. Some people see price action on Q and yes, amazing price action. It's stressful. I'm totally fine to miss 100 points on NQ and get only 5, maybe 10 points on gold, but at least I will not be stressed and I don't feel like lots of stress trading gold. Oh, you got VN traded? That's amazing. That's amazing. That's great. Let's see what will happen next. See? One win and done for the day. What could be better? Nothing. Exactly. I mean, I was trying to trade in Q for the last 3 weeks, last 3 weeks, and I got only a couple of winning trades, but I follow exactly the same model every time, but I didn't find success. It's me. I'm not blaming price action. It's me. It just was hard for me personally. That's why I stick to gold because it's easier for me, like mentally, psychologically. And gold follows just one single model. I don't need to predict something and think like, okay, it's going to be like 100 point stop loss. I need to trade one micro. It's, I know, like, feels like easy to trade this. I don't want to say trading is not easy, but gold is easy for me recently to trade this. I just feel comfortable. Yeah, since June, like June, July, and half of August, I trade only gold, like 99% of the time. And yes, finally, I see like perfect consistency. I cannot say same for Vision Q, right? But it is what it is. I already talked about this, but if you cannot find any bias on NQ and ES, don't stick to these markets. Like lots of different markets. Just find that works for you better. I saw someone said like gold, lots of women trade gold. I was like, what? What's the point to trade gold and why only women trade this? But in reality, it's really nice. Not because I'm woman and trade gold, but because it's really nice to trade this and pretty much predictable, right? Well, let's see if we may take this daily fair value gap. I'm not sure where we're going to take this. Can you trade my funded? I trade my funded futures. Trade was taken on my funded futures account. Okay. Yes, you can. I have core plan. If you would like to try this, core plan. I like core plan so far. You can also use scale plan. It's up to you. Like core or scale, both nice. Pro plus for not for everyone, I would say. Just if you want to try, core plan is way to go. Maybe scale. I don't have scale yet. Maybe I will get this, but so far with core plan, stay with core plan. Like it so. Also, I have take profit trader. Also like this. I'm Dasha, but that's fine. Gold is anything but predictable. Yeah, and I would say every single strategy works in any market, but it works so nice on gold. I have video what time I trade gold, but I'm going to type in the chat right now. Unpredictable? Okay, maybe agree. Okay, 7 to 9 a.m. New York time. 9:50 to 10. Today was front time. That's why I traded small size. And between 7 to 10 p.m. Also New York time. Here's the time that when you can look for setup on gold. Thank you for using my code. Thank you so much. Are you saying gold is better than NQ? Yes, and NQ is garbage for me personally. For some people, it's nice. Just for me, it's hard. I switch on gold. Gold is nice. Yeah, I trade different because sometimes, yes, it's just consolidating this time, but best setups normally occurs at this time. Yeah, sometimes I enter like entry was at 10:39, like random time, but that's why I traded micros. Only 6 micros on this trade. Guys, I already said like I would try to trade gold with yeah, I'm not going to make like 100 points with gold, but I feel more comfortable to trade gold, and probably I'm going to stick to gold until I see perfect price action on Q that works for me. It doesn't work for me just for now. That's why you have any plans? What do you mean? I mean, I have core plan, like personally uses, bought for my own money. Go Asia, yeah, Asia nice. Uh, Gold doing Asia is amazing to trade this. Yesterday was set up, but obviously I missed this. But normally when I do giveaway with my funded futures, I do core or scale plan. I don't do like pro plus. Never say never. Maybe I'm going to come back in September. Maybe September going to next price action. Who knows? That's the problem. That pretty much gold follows this model since March. This means 6 months, 6 months straight, 6 months. It works so well. Like no complaints. It's not coincidence setups. Like it's really works. Yes, it works on NQ, but I wouldn't say it always works on NQ because maybe it's going to sound strange, but I believe NQ is very manipulated recently. So it doesn't work so nice how it works on gold. Yes, this model works everywhere, especially with right context, but it's much more easier to trace this on gold, CL, silver, YM, everywhere but not on NQ. Yeah, I don't want to say like I'll stop trading this forever. No. I said if I'm going to blow my Apex accounts because of NQ, I'm going to stop trading this forever. But I'm close to blowing my account, so on with Apex. No, because my funded futures I only trade and take profit trade. I only trade gold. But I'm sitting big drawdown on Apex accounts. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Yeah, that's Samsung watches. 40. Yeah, I'm not sure about the size. Smallest one, I guess. No, it's protein. It's after gym. Just cannot finish this. Yeah, 40 exactly. So I decided to just straighten tune my Apex accounts and loss after loss. So just for now, I understand that if I can see any other markets better than NQ, I will stick to them. But it is what it is. So waiting for 90% off to get new accounts, trader weight accounts, not treat me connection. Apex, where's my 90% off? I need to buy more valuations to pass them. Yes, one entry model. Sounds crazy, right? You have two. For NQ, I have two as well. For NQ, M2 model works nice. But once again, I don't want to trade NQ on my funded futures accounts, only for Apex. So I don't want to even try, honestly. Because, for example, potential sweep today worked. I mean, like we got potential sweep, 3-minute order block. I mean, sure, this okay. But I feel more comfortable, much more comfortable to trade this on gold. But anyway, I'm not going to blame price action because this month in July was hard overall. But my performance, for example, March, like winter was nice. Like no complaints about NQ. No, thank you. I don't want to sit in front of my screen like all day. But anyway, I recorded video about M2 model where I backtested not July and August price action. March, I have November, December, yeah, winter, March. Like I backtested 6 months total. July was hard, yes. I'm going to repeat this again. Yeah. That's why I didn't see the reason to actually talk about and backtest this month because last year it was fine. This year it's ICT said September is going to be nice. He said that. I'm going to believe it and believe in this information. Well, what time is it? 11:31. Okay, guys, tomorrow I will start 5 minutes early, 8:40 a.m. to trade gold again pre-market because today's setup was what time it was? 7:18. It's impossible to start stream at this time. I will start early tomorrow to trade pre-market because normally like 8:45 I will try at 8:40 maybe 8:35 to find something better. Okay, guys, join me tomorrow to trade pre-market 8:35, 8:40. Not sure about the exact time. 5 a.m. I'm not at home at 5 a.m. On gold, only one model, potential hourly and 30-minute sweep. That's it, nothing else. I don't even try to trade any other models. Yeah, sounds crazy, right? I'm not at home at 5 a.m. No, it's not quarterly. BS. I don't trade this at all. Don't go. What we are going to do right now? It's already slow. I need to edit video for YouTube. If you want to communicate with me, you can just send me a message. We can talk if you want. No, I woke up at 4:47 a.m. Monday. I said last week, like Monday to Sunday, and yesterday and today. So far, so good, but so hard to wake up. So hard. You can send me message everywhere, like any. If you want in Discord, you can send me in Discord, like Instagram, Twitter, Discord. I'm going to create Telegram soon, so. But for now, Instagram, Discord, or or Twitter, any you like. Most likely, I will see the message on Discord. Okay, everywhere you like. If you want to communicate, talk about something, just you know where to find me. You can see a link over here. Yeah, just DM me there. I'm LumiTraders. You don't need to join any groups to communicate with me in Discord. It's free. I believe it's how to find me there. Who knows? It's like this is me in Discord. Didn't update this prop firm guide yet. Will do in the near future. Okay, guys. Any other questions? If you want to communicate with me Discord, just send me a friend's request. I'm going to add you. I have one, by the way. Okay, going to add right now. Okay, did I see this? Like, you didn't get no. I know, like, I'm drinking protein right now. I don't want to eat at all. Cannot finish this battle, like, at all. Where's Discord? Just send me message there, like, private message. Here's my username. I'm not sure how to look for people in Discord, but I believe something like this. I just don't see any other way. Yeah, that's me probably. Not sure how to find me there. But most likely I will find your message in Discord. I mean, I will see your message in Discord faster than Instagram or Twitter. Because I have notifications on there. Okay. I see, guys. Okay, I just added you. It's just easier for me to communicate there. All right, everyone. You got, if you want to communicate, you can add me to friends. We can communicate in Discord, Instagram, or Twitter. It's up to you. For this, I mean, like, no group, just friend request. Yeah, I see message, guys. I see. Any questions you can ask me there. I will see your message faster there. Because once again, I have notifications on. $1 million. It's okay. So I will eat one by one. It's okay. All right, everyone. I will start streaming tomorrow during pre-market at 8:40 a.m. New York time. We will try to trade pre-market on gold. You follow. What is this BK? What is BK? I know. Just tell me. BK. It's like book map. What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. Tanya went to her country, so he's on vacation for this month. So she's going to come back in September, I believe so. Yeah. She says she's going to come back in September. So or by the end of this month. I don't know. Like, she's going to come back soon. Let her enjoy her vacation. She deserves this. Okay, guys. She's not alone. Me too. So, in Q, just like toxic relationship, it's okay. Just hard to trade in Q recently. It's fine. It's summer perception, so hello, hello. I am about to leave. So you're late. The market from 7, but since I need to go to daycare to drop my kids, I will be able to come back only by 8:30, but I will start streaming at 8:40 a.m. Send Discord request. I'm going to add you right now. Okay. I see, I see. I'm going to add you guys. And here we are. Added. Done. Added you guys. If any questions, just send me there. What's the name? I already discussed this. We can talk about this tomorrow. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market. Don't make stupid mistakes because after big drop on both assets, like for example gold and NQ, we can just sit in range. Oh, guys, compare per section right now. See this? Just real quick. See how NQ, let's say on 5-minute chart, and gold looks pretty much the same. Crazy, right? Yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. Let's try to trade pre-market on gold. I hope to trade pre-market on gold. I hope it's going to offer something. Yesterday in Q, gold divorce in Q. Okay. Okay, guys. I wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. Take a break. If you took a loss today, take a break at least for 1 hour. Just turn off your computer and come back with fresh mind. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Okay.